Hey guys, and welcome back. I've got a awesome breakfast recipe for you. We're gonna do essentially an egg bake, high protein, healthy egg bake. That's gonna include some egg whites, some egg holes, mozzarella cheese. We got red onion. We've got some tomato, green and red bell pepper, some mushrooms, and some spinach. The inspiration for this was essentially like the Chicago 7 pizza or the Supreme pizza that has, right, all of the fixings on the top. So that's the idea here. We're also going to include some ground turkey as well, so stay tuned. All right, so to start this one off, we are going to start by prepping our veggies. So I'm going to go ahead and slice up my mushrooms here. Then I'm going to go ahead and prep my bell pepper. And go ahead and get my red bell pepper rolling as well. Chop up my tomato. Then chop up my red onion. I'm going to go ahead and measure out some of my wet ingredients here, starting with my Greek yogurt, putting about a cup of low-fat Greek yogurt in a bowl, followed by 6 eggs. And then we're going to go ahead and add a cup of egg whites, or about 150, 160 grams. We're going to go ahead and mash up those egg holes, get the egg whites and Greek yogurt and whole eggs blended together with a whisk. From there, we're going to go ahead and prep our turkey, starting off with a tablespoon of olive oil, followed by our chopped red onion. And we're going to go ahead and let that cook for just a minute or two until we get a good aroma and they turn a little bit translucent, followed by adding a good spoonful of some chopped garlic, followed by our 97.3 1 pound of lean ground turkey, salt and pepper for seasoning. Okay, so now that that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and prep our little casserole bowl dish thing here. We're going to go ahead and put our mushrooms, our tomatoes, our bell peppers, and then, a good 2 cups of spinach. It was 2 handfuls, but 2 cups works too. Then we have our egg mix. We're going to go ahead and spread that evenly across here. And then I'm going to transfer in this cooked turkey, onions, and garlic into the bowl. And spread it across evenly. Once that is all set in there, I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese. I cooked this at about 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And when we break down the calories and macros for this guy, we're looking at 389 calories, 47 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, and 19 grams of fat.